This is an eternal bond of Miss Ellie, Miss Sharon, classmates, friends, dear parents, good morning. It is an honor for me to stand here and speak before you as we gather today to celebrate the graduation. My school has given me the chance to be a part of a community, to build foundations for lifelong friendship, and to see the world outside the four walls of the classroom. I have learned that life is not all about learning how to read and write. They are important, but so are love, belongingness, and friendship. Our teachers put in outstanding work, and they deserve recognition. To our parents, we are taking small steps towards a bright future. We love you